Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about how to find the momentum stocks. So this is second video as part of our Python data processing series. So in the first video we have talked about 200-day moving average, like how to find 200-day moving average. This could be often used as one of the long-term investment strategy. So if you have not watched that video, so I'll leave the link in the description so you can watch that video. So today we are going to automate how to find the momentum stocks specifically within the Nifty 200. So we will be developing this automation through Python notebook. So I'll go through step-by-step process. So in this process, we have 5 steps. So first one, we have to get the top or Nifty 200 stocks. Then you have to process that 200 stocks within the 3,000 list, and then we have to find the all-time high of each of the stock within that 200. We have to find the all-time high within the range you are choosing. Like in this case, you might choose either 3 months or 6 months. So in the demo, I'll be showing for 150 days, right? So this is the third step where we found the like what is the all-time high within that range, right? So once you find the all-time high, then we'll calculate what is the current, like we'll get all the current prices, and then we'll calculate the difference between the all-time high and the current price. So whichever we will rank them, so you can choose either to take all the 5% or 3% differences, or so you can also choose the ranking. In my momentum strategy, I use like a top 20. So those are the stocks I would the eligible candidate to be added to my momentum strategy. So these are the 5 steps. We will go over in detail, like step by step. So let's we will jump onto the notebook. So in this like video, as we discussed, right? So the main goal of this video is to automate and identify the momentum stock, uh, right? So we will find the momentum stocks using the automation like Python, using the Python notebook. Yeah, so what are the momentum stocks, right? So the momentum stocks are those which are making new highs every day. So the ones which are making new highs tend to be continuing in the same upward trend. So that's why we wanted to choose those stocks. So what is the process, right? Like as we discussed earlier. So the first step, like fetch all the data for Nifty 200 companies, find all-time high for each of the stock, compare the current price to the ATH, select the stocks which are close to 5%, or you can rank them based on the whichever is the less difference. So let's jump on to the code walkthrough. So this is the Python notebook. So here we have imported the libraries. So we have taken the Nifty 200 stocks, and for this demo, so I've chosen the last trading day as 17th April, and this is the database of all the stocks which have been gathered. Like it's all the wow copies with the delivery data. And here we have the like look back period, like how much the ATH, right? So how much window within that is the all-time high. So like I have chosen for 200 days. So here we are getting all the stocks for from within our database. We are getting the all the stocks, and for whatever the data I have around 3 to 4 years of data, but we are choosing only 200 days in this case. So first we have to sort by timestamp so that we make sure we have the latest uh, data, like last 200 only. Like we don't want the historical data, this is just the last 200. And so when we run, right, so let's run this code. So here you can see we have symbol, open, high, low, close, and the delivery quantity. But for our case, let's sort them by the date. So if you see the head, like I have from 21st 2021 data from January. So I'm getting the latest last day, in this case it's the 17th April. So I'm only getting those stocks which are like past 200 days. So like this is November 30th. So now that we got like last 200 data, we'll calculate the all-time high. So how do we calculate that? So we are reading first we have in the Nifty 3000 stocks. So within that we are interested in only the top 200 or the Nifty 200. So here we can see we are getting that, and you can see these are the 200 stocks. But so for every these 200 days, all the stocks of those 200 will get the current prices, right? So the like you can see these are all around like 2 lakh rows. And here within all the data I have, this 2 lakhs, I don't want all of them. I wanted to filter them by Nifty 200 stocks. So once we filter out that, so this is what we get. So out of 2 lakhs, we got like 26,251. So now we'll calculate the within the 200 days for each of the stock. We'll calculate the all-time high, maximum or maximum close. So I'll get only the close date and the highest high, which is the high within that 200 days. So next we will get the current prices. So we are giving the last trading day. So these are the current prices. And since we have filtered for only 200, you can see only 200 were given. So now that we got both the like a high of the each of the stock, and then what is the current price, right? So we will merge both of them. So now we can see for example ABB is highest close is this, and the current close is this. This could be because because of the recent fall, this much difference is there, right? So like that you can see for every stock there is a highest close, and then what is the recent current price. So now we will find what is the difference, change in the percentage between the highest and the current price. So now we will sort them by the change in the percentage. So this will give the ascending, that means lowest one first. So here we got these are the list of files. So now let's see how close is it for the Bajaj Finance. So remember we have taken 17th April as our last trading day. So this is this close is here, and here if you see this is the all-time high within this range. So it is very close. And let's take the next one. So for the 17th April, this is the highest high, so we got the correct one. So let's verify some of the other which have 1% difference. So let's take this Marico. So for 17th April, so this is the close, and highest close is here, so it is very near. So like that you will be able to find the all-time high, and this can be used in many of the momentum strategy. Personally, I also use this strategy to rotate the stocks in my weekly momentum strategy. So hope this helps you in finding out the all-time high and the momentum stocks. So just to have a recap, right? So first you need to get the top 200 stocks, right? So after that you have to find the all-time high for each of the stock. Then you have to get the current price, and then you have to find the difference between the all-time high and the current price. So once you get that, you can either choose I'll choose my candidate as the percentage difference, like it could be all the stocks with like 5% less, or you can also do top 20. So whichever or the top 20 or top 10, you can choose it for your momentum strategy. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. So if you want this code, leave the comment below. I'll share the code with you. So thank you. Like and subscribe.